Hey guys, I'm doing two injectors on a Porche Cayenne, and then I'm gonna do a decarb with just cleaning the valves here, getting the carbon out of the valves. So injectors, they come right out. You take the connectors out here, get him out, get the rail gotta come up. Get these are 14 millimeter, and then you got these 230s here, 1, 2, and then 2 more in the back. You get all these lines here, and then each cylinder. I had a 4 coat for 1 and 8 misfire, so I'm gonna do the injectors. I already did them. Okay, torque them to, this is 23 millimeters. Get the lines up, get this bracket comes right up, and then you get whatever injector, you just pull them up, comes right up. What else? But before that, I had to take out the intake. Pretty easy, guys. T40s all around. T40s. Make sure you get these gaskets. Okay, I'm gonna replace them. Get this guy out, get this guy out. The connector for the throttle body. Got this solenoid in the back and the connector. Okay, get both of them off. I'll show them. They're right here, sitting on the side. Okay, get these guys out. Do the seals here. Those seals, replace them. They go over the intake. These things. Got the vent pipes here. It's easy work, guys. Like a chore a little bit. Those pipes. Nothing special, guys. This thing, they pop right up. Okay. Intake goes first, and then you put those things on the side. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna show you how the valves look inside, and then I'm gonna show you like the before and after. Okay, and the machine that I'm gonna use to do the work. See how the valves look inside? See the carbon? See that? That's before doing the work. And one thing, guys, to remember, pay attention to this one. You need to have the cylinder, the pistons in top dead center. Valves got to be closed, okay? Otherwise, the walnut, this thing, see, I already started this one. See the walnut there? It will get into the cylinders, and you're gonna lock up the engine. Or you're gonna have to remove spark plugs and stuff which out here, and that's gonna be more work. So I'm gonna do all these 7, which the valves are closed on those. But this one, see the valve is open, slightly open. See that? See if I could show you with a light. Get my flashlight. See, that's what, a little bit open. So I gotta turn the crank here when I get to that one. Okay, so I'll show you guys how I'm gonna do it once I get to the cylinder here, which is number 1. But since the valves is kind of partially open, I'm gonna cover it. These I don't care because the valves are closed. I'm gonna clean all of them. Okay, and then when you clean them, put a piece of tape over it so the clean ones don't get out the walnut there. Okay, and this is the machine I'm gonna be using. This guy right here. Okay, he works with air pressure, shop pressure, air pressure here, and then it has to be connected to power. Okay, and then what you do, you turn it on. See that? And then you blast it with this guy. And then you see the walnut, they come out of here. This gun, this thing will shoot the walnut in the cylinder, and then the air pressure does the work. Okay, this machine. See, guys, that one was those valves were open, so we gotta make sure the valves are closed. So in the event you gotta bring it up, you need a 27 millimeter for the damper, and then you just turn it this way. Okay, make sure the engine spins. Okay, looks good. Okay, should be fine. I'm using a 27 millimeter down there.